Like, how do we make more money in life?
Important.
Hmm?
Important. I wish someone would, give me that class.
Yeah, I don't want to be constantly be talking about healing. Let's talk about the Nvidia stocks.
I just want someone to just manage my money. I'm fine. Actually, I find I have tried taking classes on finance and
Really?
money, and I just like I glaze. I just find it very boring. I've realized that money for me is a means to an end. I like to make it so I can spend it to have a life that I like to live. It has no meaning for me other than that.
I look at it as a flow.
Hmm.
Like it has to go out for
Hmm.
it to come back in.
Hmm.
And if it's not flowing, then it's stuck. And if
Sure.
it's stuck, then
Something inside you is stuck.
yeah, that's how
Yeah.
I look at it. Like the
But I'm talking about like just the science of
Yeah,
money
yeah,
and
yeah.
numbers.
Yeah, yeah. No, I
Yeah.
get that. And some of that I outsource to like family members and
Oh yeah,
boyfriends and the typical. But
yeah.
the relationship is very like
Yeah,
it's a
boyfriends who
flow.
are good at finance are great.
I mean, that's the criteria now.
Yeah.
Just kidding. Just
I
kidding.
had a really nerdy boyfriend who was really into gadgets, and I
Ah.
found that to be extremely efficient. Because my life was just sorted. Like my iCal was sorted. Who put things on iCal, but it was.
I love it.
My wires were always like really neatly tied up, and it was great. It was just great. It was just always done.
I love how
Yeah.
that is.
I think that's one of my greens. It's one of my green flags.
What are your
Yeah,
okay?
if you're a techie, like no, I've really begun to understand the value of that techie thing in a
So
partner. It's really important.
can we put this out?
Yeah, sure.
Any techie out there, we clearly know that this is a green flag. So please slide into her DMs. Also, you don't look at your DMs.
Sometimes I do.
I had first DM'd you and then I had to like,
No, I mean, so sometimes I do though, but I mean,
it's a
like
vibe.
I don't get great DMs.
Oh God, I know that.
So
I know that.
yeah, I don't expect to see good DMs. I got a DM the other day from someone that said, I've been in love with you for so long that I deserve to talk to you. So I answered with a block.
You know that the DMs I get
Yeah.
is like, and because obviously, like with mental health, you're putting out
Uh.
analogies and talking about actual situations. When you're talking about actual situations, it doesn't mean that that situation is happening to everyone.
Mhm.
So just chill out if it's not happening to you. Just relax. Be happy being happy. But they're just like, no, you are wrong. And for me, it's like, sorry. So sorry.
Yeah,
I have made a huge mistake in this life by putting out this content and I have
No, but,
offended you.
mental health is not empirical evidence.
It's like, dude, come
It's
on.
just
move
something that
on.
happened to somebody and they dealt with it this way. And yes, of course, there are generalities. Of course, there are personality types.
Like, how dumb can you be
You
to
know.
not understand that? Like, why
Yeah.
why are you getting so offended? What's triggering you? Like, what's happening here?
Again, that's something they need to ask themselves.
Sometimes now on the
Yeah.
comment sections just for engagement, I'm just like, so what triggered you about this comment?
Oh God, that's so annoying.
And you're like, people have really been enjoying this.
Yeah.
It's like drama,
Yeah.
it's conflict at the end of the day.
Yeah.